tips for creating a calm and peaceful home. Considering that your home is your personal sanctuary, an oasis of peace and relaxation, it's important that you create a soothing atmosphere that will help you forget about all of your worries. Since your environment can greatly affect your state of mind and general well-being, you should aim at creating an ambience that exudes comfort, tranquility and serenity. Here are several simple tips that will help you transform your home into a peaceful retreat.